Alright, what's shaking, everybody? We got the trailer packed up yesterday and we are here at Sunset Speedway for the Grassroots Performance event. A little private event that these guys are hosting, Driver Appreciation Day. Should be a good day. Weather's looking iffy. I said that in the last video. Hopefully this time it's in our favor again like it was at CDS. But shout out to the guys at Grassroots for having us. Much appreciated. We're driving Sunset Speedway, which is a banked NASCAR oval track. And of course, we got the seat time car out here. First time driving bank track in a car with this little power. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be fun. We got a few of the homies here, Adam, Trevor, and we're just about to go to the driver's meeting. Catch you guys out there.
Yeah.
So, did a few laps. Car feels great. Track is so much fun to drive. What I'm dealing with now with this low power car is I have the wrong diff ratio. So for almost every other track we drive, it's perfect. I'm either in second or third. This track, second is okay for both the banks, but linking the straight in between the two banks is really hurting. So I'm like just on limiter through the straight. The car loses everything. Shifting to third. By the time I try and, I tried to carry momentum and use third into the corner. This thing made it about halfway through the corner and then started just losing all its jam. So what I'm doing now is playing with tire pressures and dampening and whatnot, trying to figure out whether I can keep this in second or try and find a way, ideally, to make it work in third. So yeah, not the best laps, but it's kind of the nature of bringing a car like this to a track like this. I do have a better diff that I should have brought, but at the same time, I don't know how long we're gonna be here today, so it might not be worth swapping a diff. So we'll see how it goes. So a little midday break, just went through our first set of tires. Got into the wall, of course, the usual me trying to find the wall. Didn't get into the wall hard, just e-brake pulled, tapped it like a little bit harder than I should have, which kind of corrected the car, and then got back into it. But just having fun, man. Didn't bring enough tires, of course. It is sunny out, so which is awesome, but I kind of figured it was gonna be spotty all day. So some of the boys just changed some tires. I'm still fighting the car, but I found I played with some dampening and whatnot, and I'm still in second. It is still hitting limiter on the transition, but I actually lowered my tire pressure so that I can increase vehicle speed and lower wheel speed, so that I can actually hopefully still stay in drift, but drag the car out a little bit further and wider. Seems to be working, but definitely still fighting it, but whatever. It is what it is. We got the wrong gear ratio for this track. Still having fun, but got our boy Trev here, throwing on some freshies. Adam's here with the LS car. Some of the boys from Proper Parts are here. Got Chris and his LS Mercedes, and Adam's just throwing a alternator in this unit right now. So nice little LS wagon. Yeah, sun's out. Should be a good day. We get some more seat time to boys. All right, so just made it home from the Grassroots Performance event. It was a fun day, got some good laps in. Car did really well, aside from the whole gearing thing. It was actually really fun. So kind of just dealt with it, made the best of it, and we ended up getting some good laps out of it. Seat time car performed flawlessly, gave me seat time, did its job, and the weather held off. So yeah, this is gonna be a short video, but once again, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. I wanna give one more special shout out to the guys at Grassroots for organizing this event and having us. We had a blast. So we'll catch you guys in the next video.